Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can upload files in mega.io. So to upload files you can click on add button and you can easily upload folders as well as files. So to upload file just you can go here and select the file. For example, let me scroll down and here I have a demo file. So now file is uploaded and you can get shareable link to share this file with anyone else. So link is generated, just you can copy link and share to anyone. And if you want to download this file, then just you can select this file and after that click here the button download. In this way you can easily use mega.io.